Hi, welcome back to How To Knots. Today we will be doing the Midshipman's Hitch. It is a variation of the tote line hitch, and in my opinion, it is more sturdy. And honestly, I think it's a little bit more easy to do if you understand it completely. You can tie it around anything, and I'm using a boat handle in this video. So for this knot, you're going to want to take your rope and stick it through whatever you're using this knot on, and then you're going to make a little loop and you're going to wrap the rope around the loop, feed it through, and then you're going to feed it through a second time on the back side of that first knot. Tighten that up as much as you can. And then you're going to take your rope again, turn it sideways, and feed it through that small little hole that you've just made. And you're going to want to make sure that all three ropes are touching. Tighten that up as much as you can. And as you can see here, it is extremely sturdy. Like it is not going away anywhere. And it's adjustable, just like the tote line hitch. And there you have it, the Midshipman's Hitch.